they attack the country rock, and whatever minerals are there inside them, it just goes into the hostel. So Ambaj area is famous for lead, zinc and copper deposits. So this is how people have found out. The copper, lead, zinc are very small, छोटे grain. They occur in small amount. So they are not seen at one instance. So what is the pathfinder? Pathfinder is this. Pegmatite veins and quartz veins. Now suppose somebody asks you why pegmatite veins and quartz veins are so much here, why not in the other micacetes or other part of the belt? The reason is this: there must be fractures, otherwise how they will be emplaced? There must be granite proton nearby. Then only pegmatite veins and quartz veins are emplaced. Na? But follow this point. Na? So ultimately comes fracture, flat circuit. Now, I will come back to this picture again, but let me just show you a few more photographs. 3 is there, 4 there, first 3. अब देखो मैं इसको, this white thing you are seeing, this is full of pyrite and sulfurides. I have taken this photograph from the dairy mine, very close to that. This one? Dairy. There is your yes, dairy, D-E-R-I, very close to Ambaj, very close to Ambaj. So this is a micaceous country in which these pegmatite veins are emplaced. In the pegmatite vein itself you will see. And forget about the country rock. Country rock has extremely mineralized, but this pegmatite vein itself. Little inside from the main road. So these are the carriers. These are the carriers of metallic minerals. Now, they themselves are mineralized, but they may not be, very economically very productive. But the country rock is economically productive. I told you why. Because they themselves, how this material is emplaced, when the melt comes, it is 80% liquid, 80% liquid, and 10% or 20%, is the crystal. When they are emplaced, it cannot emplace in a solid vein. Solid veins cannot migrate. It has to have lot of liquid in it. So it is a liquid material, just like water. Very low viscosity. High viscosity होगा तो कैसे जाएगा? So it should have a lot of water in it. Suppose I ask you which is more viscous, a dolerite dike or a granite vein or pegmatite vein? Which is more viscous? Granite vein is more viscous because it is silica content. Quartz इसमें ज़्यादा है, इसलिए it is more viscous. But dolerite dikes are less viscous. Why less viscous? Because quartz is less. That is why the amount of emplacement, the dimension, the width is more in case of dolerite dikes. Dolerite आप देखा ना, अब उसको बोलते हैं dolerite swarm, dike swarm. But pegmatite vein cannot occur, in swarm. उसका viscosity more है because of the quartz content. But then when it is being emplaced, it cannot be. Then how it is being emplaced with viscosity more? So the amount of crystals, solid crystals in it will be less compared to the water content. So these are highly enriched with water. That is why they can penetrate. Viscosity will be less. So when there is a pegmatite emplacement, remember they have very less viscosity. Amount of crystals are less. So this is called a crystal melt mousse. Mousse means that addition. MUSH. So this is transported as a mousse, MUSH or moss. How do you pronounce? Mush. Okay. Mush. BUSH? Mush. Okay, no problem. Follow whatever you like. I generally pronounce equally. So MUSH. So it is the mixture, So mousse is 10%, mousse is 20%, mousse is. You understand what does it mean? So what is the crystal percentage in it? If mousse is 80%, no transportation. You understand this part, na? So depending on this crystal percentage in it, the distance it can be transported, the width of the vane it could become, depends on that. Follow this point, na? So these pegmatite vanes, so once they are emplaced, they get cooled and fully solidified. But while emplacement takes place, this is in that situation. Okay. So this is one thing. Yeah? Now let us go to show our photograph. Now tell me, what is this then? Oh, this I have shown. This one. This is also another pegmatite. इस तरह बड़ा करते हैं ना, ये ठीक है ना? This is also another pegmatite vein. ठीक है ना? अब देखो सर ये pegmatite vein को, तो this pegmatite vein कैसे लगा? follow ना? मैं यहाँ क्वेश्चन पूछूँगा, this pegmatite vein, do you see this displacement? हाँ? Displacement. What type of fault it is? Normal. Okay, चलो normal. So this is normal. And pegmatite vein, can you see? Suppose I ask you one question. When did this pegmatite vein included? Time. कब इंक्लूड किया? Before faulting. Before faulting. Faulting time में पहले faulting से पहले the emplacement is taking place. So emplacement has taken place along some other fractures. Earlier, na, during this fracture formation, there is no emplacement. During an earlier event, earlier fractures, this emplacement took place. Later on, they were faulted. You follow this point, na? So now, suppose I ask you, during this fracture formation, why there is no emplacement? Why there is emplacement during these fractures? अब क्या बोलोगे इसको? How do you interpret this thing? You understood this photograph, no? So this is a pegmatite vein. It must have emplaced through some fracture, na? So let us see. This is the fracture. This is fracture का अंदर भी घुस गया. You cannot see the fracture, na? Now you are seeing this fracture. Okay, this is displaced it. Now if I ask you why there is no emplacement along this fracture, either there was no magma that time, ये भी हो सकता है. During that time there was no magma. During this time there was magma, so the emplacement could take place. Source जब नहीं है, तो क्या emplacement होगा? So these are all barren veins then, no emplacement. Follow this point. Could there be any other reason? That is what I'm asking. Huh? Yeah, moose. Oh, very good. Of course, I appreciate. So moose may be very tough, a tough moose. So it could not come in. This was a very low moose. You understood this point, ना? So क्या करता है? Low moose and tough moose क्या करता है? और क्यों ट्रांसपोर्टेशन नहीं होता है? Good, very good, very good. बताओ, I want to know the reason. ट्रांसपोर्टेशन नहीं हो पा रहा, क्यों नहीं हो पा रहा? हाँ? थोड़ा बड़ा जोर से करो. I will supplement. जब ये मूस हो के आया है, ये जब जाता है some vein is there, it is unable to push it ना. If there are number of crystals or more, solidify होके ज़्यादा मूस हो गया है, it cannot push aside ना. Water होगा तो it will push aside ना. Try to understand this part. Maybe during this time, water was more, low moose. There could be a fluid with large moose, so it could not push in outside. You don't understand this part. So what matters then? It is the fluid pressure. Fluid pressure came into picture now. Understood what I am telling you? So here fluid pressure was very less. Fluid ही था नहीं, सब मूस हो गया था. इसका time during this time the fluid pressure was very high. The फ्लूइड ही था, मूस ही कम था, तो fluid pressure was high, so it could be pushed aside, you know. You understood this part? So how fluid pressure comes into picture? So if fluid pressure is more, the emplacement will be more. Why dolerite dikes are so many? Instead of telling it is a very low viscosity thing, you tell the fluid pressure was very high. In terms of fluid pressure, you can also tell. No? You understand this part or not? Tell me how fluid pressure comes into picture. There could be a fracture, but there may not be any emplacement. Understood, na? Now, बात अब इसको मैं दिखाता हूँ, एक वेरी ब्यूटीफुल पिक्चर है, मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ। सी दिस वन, क्या देख रहे हैं आप? देख रहे हैं ना पेगमेटाइट वेन्स, देख रहे हैं ना इसको, व्हाइट व्हाइट इज पेगमेटाइट वेन। व्हाट इज दिस रॉक? सीड्स टेक्सचर, हाँ बड़ा सा बताओ, ये बेसिक रॉक। देखो तो पोल्यूशन नहीं है। अब देखो ये दिस इज ए बेसिक रॉक, बासाल्ट और डोलोराइट और गेब्रो, यू नो, जिसको ये इनको दिख रहा है, देख रहे हैं ना? Can you see? Huh? Now this gabbro has been intruded by this. देख रहे हैं? Can you see a displacement here? You see the displacement? Is it the previous photo? No? You see? I'll show you again, because you are not acquainted with many photographs nowadays. देखो आप सेम फोटोग्राफ ना, देखो सेम फोटोग्राफ को मैं जूम आउट किया है, जूम आउट किया है। सो व्हाट इज द कंट्री रॉक? कंट्री रॉक क्या है? बेसिक रॉक है, यहाँ भी बेसिक रॉक, कंट्री रॉक, वेरी हार्ड रॉक, वेरी हार्ड रॉक। नाउ these are the pegmatite veins, you see these are the pegmatite veins, यही तो है pegmatite veins। there is another set of fracture, ये fracture है, ये कोई भी आराम fracture है, but they are not emplaced with, they are not emplaced with, but these are the things which are emplaced. Now we can give one line answer. During this emplacement, fluid pressure was high. Fluid pressure was high. During this formation, fluid pressure was not high. इसलिए emplacement नहीं हुआ है. So you can answer technically. Understood ना? Now नंबरिंग एडिटिंग मिस्टेक, आप इसको देखो, कैसे करेगा, तो लाइट कैसे करेगा, हाउ आई मेक इट लाइट,
सिलेक्ट करेगा,
क्लिक ऑन द फोटोग्राफ, देन चेंज पिक्चर,
फॉर्मेट
मैं लाइट करना चाहता हूँ, ये ना ब्राइटनेस तरफ बनाए, ठीक है क्या? मतलब बेटर है ना, जी आप देखो, you can also see the pegmatite veins. Understood ना? What are the pegmatite veins showing? हाँ फ्लूइड प्रेशर
Puddings.
बुडिंग्स बुडिंग स्ट्रक्चर कैसे बनता है? एक्सटेंशन बनता है। कैसे एक्सटेंशन? ऐसा एक्सटेंशन layer parallel extension, or you can say compression also. This both are possible. You can pull it, you can push it also this way, right angle to it. That is the mechanism of budding formation.
Sir, for budding formation, you will need computed and incomputed
Difference. There should be a hard unit. There should be a hard unit. This should be the weak unit. So the hard unit will become budding. That is what we are telling. The competence difference. This is more competent. This is less competent. Now what I am asking you, why? So this is definitely magmatic rock. Magmatic rock. This is also magmatic rock. This is also magmatic rock. This has been emplaced. Followed, na? And this magmatic rock has been buddingized. Let us use this word buddingized. Budding बन गया. Now when this emplacement took place, that time the core fluid pressure or the fluid pressure was sufficient to emplace these things. ठीक है ना? तो जो बुडिंग बना, आप लोग बोल रहे हैं यहाँ से प्रेशर किया, इसको ऐसे खींचा. When it happened, you are understanding my point. जब ये एम्प्लेसमेंट हुआ तब एक खिंचाई हुआ कि एम्प्लेसमेंट होने का बाद खिंचाई हुआ, कब हुआ? You are understanding my point. So this budding formation took place later. पहले तो एज ए लिक्विड magma it came. उसको तो खिंचाई होगा तो क्या होगा? उसमें तो कॉम्पिटेंस ही था नहीं, वो कैसे बुडिंग फॉर्मेशन करेगा? Once it is solidified, becomes hard, then whatever you say, extension made it good, or compression like this made it good. Followed, na? So that means its emplacement was earlier, the budding formation was later. पहले emplacement हो गया, बाद में budding formation हुआ. Up to this is clear, no? Because budding formation is a later process. Unless it is solid, only it is solidified to a hard rock, then its competence, its hardness will be more than this, na? Unless it is a hard rock, this type of stretching will not take place. Hello, na? So that means formation of budding is after their emplacement. तो emplacement इससे पहले हुआ था. So this pulling, is a stress phenomena, is a deformation phenomena. नहीं तो pulling कैसे होगा? या pushing. The budding formation is as the result of some stress condition. ठीक है ना? Some stress condition. Suppose I say that stress condition was existing during its emplacement also. Try to understand it. See, suppose ये एक हार्ड रॉक था, आप इसको ऐसे पुल किया, इसको ये सिग्मा 3 हो गया, ये सिग्मा 1 हो गया, ये एक स्ट्रेस कंडीशन है ना? स्ट्रेस कंडीशन तो यही है. 20 MPa इधर से है, 10 MPa इधर से है, so that is forming the budding. Now suppose I give an option to you. This stress condition was existing when this emplacement took place. Means what? That time budding could not form because it was liquid condition. It got solidified. Same stress condition was continuing. So budding formation took place. You don't understand this pattern. जब ये emplacement हुआ तब भी वही stress condition था. But budding formation could not took place. Why could not take place? Because it was not in a solidified form. अब budding formation के लिए have a solid. तो crystallization is necessary, cooling is necessary. So if I say this stress condition was existing since long, बहुत टाइम से स्ट्रेस कंडीशन था, ऐसे पुश हो रहा था, ऐसे पुल हो रहा था. So emplacement took place. After emplacement it was solidified, budding formed. Up to this point, I suppose I ask you, can you calculate, what was the stress? So that means your fluid pressure was in excess of that stress, no? नहीं तो emplacement कैसे हुआ? जो स्ट्रेस इसको बनाया, सपोज इट इज कंटिन्यूइंग फॉर लास्ट 100 मिलियन ईयर्स, तब से वही स्ट्रेस कंटिन्यू कर रहा है. Within that stress condition, the emplacement took place. So after a few million years, solidification, cooling happened, but still the stress continues. Follow na? So that means when emplacement took place, that time जो fluid pressure इसका था, pegmatite vein का, was in excess of that ना. Excess नहीं हुआ तो कैसे प्रेशर करेगा? ये बंद कर देगा. So that means this formation of budding can tell you what was the fluid pressure. Suppose I give you some way, some method to calculate the stress condition from this. ये कौन सा stress condition में formation हुआ? You can tell ना what was the fluid pressure? हाँ? है कि नहीं? थोड़ा बता मेरे को. You are able to understand what I am telling. Suppose for last 100 million of years, same stress condition is continuing. Early part में this was emplaced, later part में this was budding in the same stress condition. Now suppose I say you this budding, I can calculate how much stress has got during the budding formation. So you can tell what was the fluid pressure. It will little excess of that, no? Or more excess of that. That is the thing, no? करेगा कि नहीं करेगा बताओ. Suppose I say way how to calculate stress from here. कितना stress था? Stress था आपका absolute magnitude you are not calculating ना. What you are calculating? Phi value or R value. That you are going to calculate. So R value during the formation of this budding is suppose 0.6. So what is the core fluid pressure? 3.7, 0.8, like that, something like that you can tell. Na? So that means these features, will tell you what was the fluid pressure during its emplacement. So you should look for those features. आपको core fluid pressure ढूंढने के लिए, निकालने के लिए. Because during certain deformation this has been formed, ना? But earlier केस में जो pegmatite vein आपको दिखाया, which is straight pegmatite vein suppose मैं आपको दिखाया, उसमें से you cannot calculate. Are you able to understand this part? Huh? We come back to all these things again. Huh? आप इसको थोड़ा देखो. Can you see this fold? हाँ? Fold देखा ना? And what else you can see in this photograph? You see a big pegmatite vein here. This is R. This type of things will get plenty in the area, where mineralization has happened. Can you see some faults? Fault is there. आप देखो कैसे fault है. Fault ऐसे काट के जा रहा है. देखो आप fault कैसे काट के जा रहे हैं. हाँ? देख रहे हैं ना? ये fault आप देखो. कितना beautiful है. ऐसा एक fault है. ऐसे straight lines ना. वन साइड स्ट्रेट लाइन्स लाइक दिस, ये फॉल्ट है, स्ट्रेट लाइन ऊपर का ऐसा है, ऐसा। सी दिस थिंग ना, अरे यहाँ देख सकता है, देखो ये स्ट्रेट है, ये दिस बैंड्स आर स्ट्रेट, यू सी, यहाँ का बैंड है तो कैसे मोड़ के जा रहा है, हाँ? देख रहे हैं नहीं देख रहे हैं आप? देखो ये पिक्चर कैन यू सी कंपेयर ना, फॉल्ट का जो फुटबॉल में स्ट्रेट बैंड्स आते हैं, हिंगिंग वॉल में फोल्ड्स आते हैं। व्हाट टाइप ऑफ फोल्ड इट इज? हां, थ्रस्ट है ही, रिवर्स अटैक फॉल्ट प्रोपागेशन, नॉट फॉल्ट बैंड, व्हाट, हां, फॉल्ट प्रोपागेशन सीधा जा रहा है, ये सो स्ट्रेट है, ये इसको मोड़ दिया, ये भी कोई भी इधर भी वैसे ही है, इधर भी ऐसा ही है। नाउ व्हाट इज टेलिंग, ये जो पेग्माटाइट है इसका अंदर आया है, इसका अंदर आया है, मतलब इधर तो नहीं है, यहां भी ऐसे फॉल्ट था, ये ऐसा 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 फॉल्ट था, ये घुस गया, इधर घुसा नहीं, इधर घुसा नहीं, ठीक है। But if you see in the area, you will get so this type of faults many, out of which suppose 50% are emplaced with this pegmatitis, maybe 40% are not emplaced. So what you can conclude during this fracture जो था, fracture का अंदर ये घुसा, follow this, fracture का अंदर घुसा, so that means the fluid pressure higher than this stress that has created this fault zone. Are able to understand? Otherwise, how it will have place? Unless it overcome, the stress condition that has produced these fractures. So stress condition उसका है 0.6, 0.5, 0.6, 0.5 you are understanding that. Unless it overcomes that, so this will not have place. So unless it has pore fluid or fluid pressure more than that, it cannot have place. Suppose I gave a clue, what was the stress condition during this fracture formation? Suppose I will give a clue. Fracture formation का कितना stress में हुआ था? So you can tell what is the fluid pressure during this pegmatitis when you emplace fluids. Excess of that. This point, na? Huh? So now this is relation with your mineralization. Mineralization. So at what condition of pore fluid pressure the mineralization has happened, we can calculate. Why certain areas are not mineralized, why certain areas are mineralized, are all related to this pore fluid pressure. That is the point. Follow this point now. Now एक रहा है, देखो अभी क्या छूट गया होगा, दिस आई हैव शोन अब आई हैव कवर्ड ना, ये बेसिक ग्राफ ये तो हो गया, डायरेक्ट में दिखा दिया, एक वाला नहीं दिखाया गया, एक भी दिखा दिया, आई थिंक आई हैव शोन इट. There are many such photographs, but what I wanted to tell you, हाँ ठीक है ना, what I want to tell you, the pore fluid pressure and magmatic emplacement. कहाँ होगा magmatic emplacement and mineralization? Because you are all hard work, is related to magmatic emplacement and the mineralization. So unless you understand that, rest is just descriptive, whether you are getting pyrite or chalcopyrite, that is just descriptive. But where chalcopyrite will be more, where pyrite will be more, all related to your pore fluid pressure. That is, we will discuss in the next class.